In this video, I'm going to go over the settings that I have set up in my wallet to be able to mine the Pro currency. You'll see if you followed my other video about fixing the out of sync notification, I transferred 6,000 coins out to that wallet, so that's running on another laptop here beside me, mining as well. So let's take a look at these settings. I've done this in the past, but let's do a little more. The backup wallet, so we click that. I like to put everything on my desktop, and what I'm going to do is I would put this is wallet 1 for me, and I would put today's date 6/5/17, and I'm going to save that. So if I go to my desktop here, I have that wallet backup right here. This is a very important file if you want to make a habit of backing it up daily. That's not a bad idea, and I would say you want to keep that on your computer but off of your computer. Keep it in your email account somewhere, keep it on a Google Drive or some cloud storage, because if your computer crashes and you lose your wallet file, which we did show in another video, if you lose that wallet.dat file that's in the Pro currency directory, you will be able to take this backup. You'll have to change the name to wallet.dat. You can reinstall the software and then put that file in there, and you'll be your wallet will just reappear. So it is a good thing to be backing that wallet up on a regular basis, especially if you're mining daily. I would say you want to be backing it up daily. The other way to do that, of course, is if you are syncing your computer to a cloud backup solution. Make sure that you are syncing that file or that folder so it's always available to you on the cloud to get back. Okay, now as far as the signing message and verifying message, I haven't got into that, so I'm going to skip it. Encrypting your wallet, this is basically what that does is it keeps your wallet, probably that one DAT file, the wallet.dat file, it probably encrypts it, so if somebody was to try to open it without the password, they're not going to be able to read the data. So that's something you can do. However, if you ever lose your passphrase, you will also not be able to restore your wallet. So it's a catch-22 there. You can certainly encrypt it, but if you're practicing good security on your computer, firewalls, this kind of stuff, I would say that's probably not that big of an issue. Here we have key management. Again, haven't gotten into that. Now we look at the options. These are the settings, and this is what I'm doing, and it's working great. I don't turn my computer off. I just let it sit. The screen turns off. The hard drives might go to sleep, but I don't close the lid, and it keeps mining. But what we see here is I want Pro currency to start. If I reboot my computer, I want this coming right up in case I forget to start it. I am not doing anything with detaching databases. The pay transaction fee, for whatever reason, this does not seem to stay there, but I have put in 0.01, and you down here in the bottom right you'll see apply. You definitely want to apply the changes that you make. So I have done that. It seems like everything's fine. I do know that when I transfer coins out of my wallet to another person, then it does ask me to pay the fee, and I gladly pay it. It's very nominal. If you're going to mine, you have to enable staking, and essentially what staking is it shows that you own a stake in the currency yourself. You do have Pro currency, and you're willing to put those up as a stake. And so then what you see here is the reserve. So if you have 5,000 coins in your wallet and you want to stake with 5,000 coins, then you would leave this 0. If you wanted to keep, say, 2,000 of those coins because you plan on, being able to throw them right up on an exchange and whatnot, then you would want to go ahead and put that reserve in here. Minimum stake interval. Honestly, I don't know what this is, but I left it at 0 and it seems to be working fine. My sense is that this is how often your wallet is being checked. And then you have minimum ring size. These were just the default settings that were in here. I did automatically select ring size. It seems to be working perfect. I did enable secure messaging, and I have not used any of the rest of that. So you see exactly how my wallet looks, and like I said, it's been working fine. You can go over some of the transaction history here. You can see that in one day, I'm trying to find that particular day, 6-3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mined 120 coins, and so that was a great day, best day yet. I'm hoping to see that with multiple computers running. But those are the settings. So then on the other side, if you want to send somebody money, you're using the send option here. And you can set up an address book. So if you set up an address book and you keep other wallets in there, it makes it easy to transfer back and forth. Of course, this is going to be the ProCurrency address. You can create any label you want, some kind of notation, and the amount of Pro that you want to send. If you're looking to receive some currency, then you want to make sure that you use the addresses that are in here, and you can simply make sure it looks bolded and then copy the address here like that. And here we have the transactions which I just showed you, and you can see here that today's date, so far I've mined 30 coins. I sent some coins over late last night to another laptop here, and then I do have these that were just mined, but you can see that they're not confirmed. They're immature coins that will mature shortly, and then they can of course be then added to the staking value and show that I have a greater stake in the currency. And then of course your address book. You can add other people's wallets so that you can transfer easily back and forth. And there we have it. Very simple, straight to the point.